Hello YouTube. Wanted to bring guys another review of a product that I've used quite a few of them actually, and it's from our friends over at Speed Tech Lights. Definitely go check out their website. But what I'm holding here is their Micro Carbine series, and this is the box that it comes in, and that's the information there if you guys can read that. Speed Tech Lights, 15 watt, 90 degree LED. So let's take a look at the box here. This is an opening. This little white dot here will actually note the color. See if you guys can see that there. A little bit hard to see as I'm shooting this a little bit later in the afternoon here. But that's the color that the light is inside the box here. So let's take a look. Nice, pretty heavy-duty box here. Right off the bat here, you'll see that we have the Micro Carbine light sitting right on top, and it's got a decent cord here. It comes with it. Comes off a really heavy-duty cord. And it's real thin. Man, it's very, very thin unit. As you can see there, close up there, you can see that pretty good in the camera. It does have 3 diodes in there, LED diodes. If I'm not mistaken, they are, I believe, Cree. Don't quote me on that. I may have just switched over to Cree LED. And then the back of the unit here is completely sealed. You guys might be able to see the clear plastic that they've used to seal this all up. It's got a tag here, obviously remove it. It awards the warranty. And then again, a very heavy duty cord that comes with it. And then on the end, it just has your ground wire, which is the black, and then your hot wire, which is the red. Real simple installation. If you guys are, you can wire it up to a switch, and so that's that. And then what comes in with your is your flush mount. You guys can flush mount this. You can feed your wiring through like so. And you can ultimately flush mount this system like so. That's not completely flush. I do have it, that tag's in the way. That's alright. We don't worry about the warranty. But you can flush mount that and up against your vehicle. That's the way it goes. And then obviously you can use hardware. This is a 5/16 screw. You can screw it in that way. We've also used rivets and riveted onto the ATVs that we have these mounted on. We do have mounted to the rear of our ATVs, and it lights up the bed of the ATV nicely. So there's your flush mount garment. You can feed your wire different ways. Feed it from the side, for the back. And this one's actually curved. I believe that allows you to mount it on a curved surface, if I'm not mistaken. It's been a while since I bought these. And then here's your flat mount. Again, that's flat, and this one's curved. Again, I believe that is to allow it to be mounted if you've got a surface that's not completely flat, or even on a bar. You can mount it onto a roll bar and so forth. So again, you can see that flat, and that's it. That's all it comes in. Real simple. I mean, 3 LEDs in this one unit. This is all metal construction. And in the back, it's got a metal, looks like an aluminum plate, and then that's all sealed. One nice, really good unit. We've got several of these. We use these again on the back of our UTVs. We mount it right onto the plastic roof of the ATV. So definitely, you guys are check out Speed Tech Lights. Again, this is called their Micro Carbine series. and you can get them off right now. I think they're running for about 14 bucks. They had a sale going throughout the month of December. Normally these are about 20 bucks a piece. I believe that's what we bought these for. We might have gotten them in the pack. But check these out, definitely. And real simple installations, just a red and black wire. You can wire it up to a switch on your dashboard. I'm looking at maybe trying to install these as a running board light option, and you can get these in different colors. Bear with me real quick. I can go through those colors with you. I believe they're going to be white, clear, and then you can get red, blue, amber, and not sure about the green. But real quick, I'll go over this real quick with you. If you go on their website, this is obviously the views you will see on your mobile device. And if you go to their off-road lights, and right now they're going for $13.99, usually $34.99, but again, they usually are running sales quite a bit. And this is their Micro Carbine off-road LED surface mount work light. And we'll go for the color options here: amber, green, red, and blue. Unfortunately, red and blue are an additional charge. Costs a little bit more for those LEDs than it does for the amber or the clear white. And I believe now they're also SpeedTech light also has a flasher now that you can actually flash these lights if you wanted to. We don't do that. We just use it strictly as a work light to light up an area. But definitely check that out, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.